Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you 2 tips about Excel that will improve your work dynamics. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and now let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first function I want to show you is the concatenate. Use this function to join 2 or more text strings into one string. I'm trying to combine the first name and the last name in one cell. Don't forget to put the quotation marks and the space in the middle if it's to separate the 2 texts. And this is the formula. You can use it for any similar job. These little tools will make your job much easier. In this case, for example, you save yourself from writing all the names again. And once you have the formula, hit enter, and this is the result. You can drop down the list and you will automatically see all the names written below. And the second formula I want to show you is the COUNTIF. Use COUNTIF to count the number of cells that meet a criterion. I'm counting the numbers of times that these companies have been the best companies in different years. In this example, using this formula, we can easily find out how many times each company won. The interesting thing about this formula is that once applied, by writing the name of each company, you will know the number of times it won the award. Of course, you can apply this formula for other inquiries. And that was all for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.